Imagine I give you 100 rupees today, not 1 lakh, not a business, not a shortcut, just rupees 100. Can this 100 become 1 crore? Most people will say no chance, and honestly, they are right. If you're thinking about multiplying money overnight, but what if I tell you that almost every wealthy person followed a similar pattern? They didn't start with crores, they started with a small amount of money, but they built something more powerful, a system. A system where small money, small skills, small investments, and small decisions slowly create a huge difference. Today I'm going to break down the realistic 100 rupees to 1 crore formula. Not a lottery, not a fake scheme, a formula based on skills, income growth, investing, and discipline. Stay till the end because the final step is the one where most people fail. Part 1. The biggest mistake people make. The biggest mistake people make with money is this: they focus only on saving. They think if I save 100 rupees every day, I will become rich. Saving is important, but saving alone won't make you wealthy because there is a limit to how much you can cut. You can reduce your tea, you can reduce shopping, you can reduce unnecessary expenses, but you cannot reduce your expenses to zero. The real game is increasing earning power. A person earning 20,000 per month and saving 5,000 has a limit. But a person who learns skills and increases income from 20,000 to 1 lakh per month changes the entire game. Money follows value. The more valuable you become, the more money come towards you. Part 2. The 100 starting point. Let's talk about 100. Most people waste 100. A snack, a random online purchase, a useless subscription. But wealthy people ask, how can this 100 rupees create more value? The first rule: never use small money for temporary pleasure. Use it to buy opportunities. For example, 100 internet data to learn, 100 notebook to track expenses, 100 book, 100 to add a skill. The amount is not important. The habit is important. Because your financial future is built by repeated small actions. Part number 3. Step 1. Build your money machine. Your first goal is not 1 crore. Your first goal is building a money machine. What is a money machine? A skill that can create income. Examples: video editing, digital marketing, coding, sales, writing, design, AI tools, communication. A person with a strong skill can survive anywhere. A person without skills depends on luck. The question is, if I lose everything today, can I learn again? That decides your future. Part number 4. The income ladder. Now understand this ladder. Level number 1. You learn only from your time. Example, you work 8 hours, you get paid, stop working, money stops. Level 2. You develop a valuable skill. Now your 1 hour becomes more valuable. Level 3. You create systems, a business, a website, a YouTube channel, investments. The money works even when you are sleeping. Most people try to jump directly to level 3. They want passive income without income, active income. That is why they fail. First build yourself, then build assets. Part number 5. The 100 to 10,000 phase. The first target is not crore. The first target is the first 10,000. Why? Because the first 10,000 proves something. It proves you can create money. Maybe you freelance, maybe you sell something, maybe you provide a service, maybe you create content. The amount doesn't matter. The confidence matters. A person creates 10,000 once can learn to create 1 lakh. A person who never creates anything keep waiting for miracles. Part number 6. The investing the right way. Now comes the wealth building part. When income increases, don't upgrade your lifestyle immediately. This is where many people destroy their future. First income increases, new phone, new bike, new expenses, then they are back to zero. Instead, increase assets, invest regularly, learn about markets, understand risk. Don't chase quick money because quick money usually disappears quickly. Real wealth is boring, it is built slowly. Part number 7. The crore mathematics. 1 crore is not created by one big action, it is created by thousands of small actions. Your first 1 lakh feels impossible, then 5 lakh, then 10 lakh. After that, game changes because money starts creating more money. The first crore is the hardest. After that, your knowledge and assets become powerful. Part number 8. The final secret. Now, the final secret: the difference between rich and poor is often not intelligence, it is consistency. A person who improves 1% every day for years becomes a completely different person. The person who keeps waiting for motivation stays at the same place. You don't need perfect conditions, you need a system. Start with 100, Start with one skill, start with one habit, because the future is not created by one lucky day. It is created by what you repeat every day. Now the conclusion part. So can 100 rupees become 1 crore? Not through magic, not through shortcuts, but through a process. Small money, small improvements, better skills, higher income, smart investing, long-term discipline. This is the real formula. If you are serious about changing your financial life, don't ask, how can I get rich quickly? Ask what can build that keeps paying me. Because the person who builds assets eventually becomes free. Thank you.